Hello friends, I'm your host Sunil Mohan once again on behalf of SRE India Realty, introducing you exceptionally interesting location which is gaining popularity in the lush green areas for its luxury projects. That is Gwal Pahadi. When we are talking about Gwal Pahadi, आज की डेट में गुड़गांव के अंदर जितने भी एरियाज़ हैं, वेदर it is Golf Course Road, Golf Course Extension Road और proper Sona Road और New Gurgaon, इन सब के अंदर इतनी ज़्यादा कंस्ट्रक्शन हो गई है that every area is become a traffic hurdle and a hodgepodge construction. But when we are talking about Gwal Pahadi, you will see lot of projects which are facing Aravali Greens or Delhi Greens. ग्वाल पहाड़ी की जो लोकेशन है, दिस इज़ जस्ट 5 minutes अवे फ्रॉम गोल्फ कोर्स रोड. ग्वाल पहाड़ी इज़ लोकेटेड इन द सराउंडिंग ऑफ एवरग्रीन अरावली हिल्स एंड prestigious South Delhi farmhouses. Gwal Pahadi is a most desired location in the entire Delhi NCR for its unique blend of nature, accessibility and exclusivity. Some of the ultra luxury projects on this Gwal Pahadi area are Paras Quartier, and one more project of Paras is coming, that is Paras Manor, Adani Lushland, Ario Gurgaon Hills, Billionaire Residencies, and of course Krish Provence Estate. All these projects offer you luxury large spaces with a space of 4,750 square feet onward to 10,000 square feet area, having a configuration of 3, 4 and 5 bedrooms, catering to a very specific buyer who's looking for space, luxury and sophistication. Friends, let me take you to the connectivity highlights of this project. If you really go to see, this project is bang on Faridabad Gurgaon Road. The road which you see where the traffic is moving is going to be expanded to 150 meters. So ये almost Dwarka Expressway जितना बड़ा project हो जाएगा. Now what you see in front is a Terry golf course spread over in 75 acres of land, and it is a functional golf course. A metro corridor is also proposed between Gurgaon and Faridabad. There is a planned road of 6 lanes which is connecting Andheriya Mode of South Delhi to Gurgaon, this particular location. Close proximity to schools including Pathways World School and Heritage International School is very close by. इस वक्त जो हम प्रोजेक्ट पे हैं, this is Krish Provence Estate. This is a luxury project located bang on Faridabad Gurgaon Road, Sector 2, Gwal Pahadi. This project was launched in 2010 in collaboration with architect C.P. Kukreja and the construction partner Ahluwalia Construction. Krish Provence is spread over in 12.5 acres of land parcel, जिसके अंदर 70% green है, making this project a completely low density project. इसके अंदर 4 टावर हैं A, B, C, D. A, B, C टावर का OC आया हुआ है, पोजीशन दे दिया गया है, whereas D टावर का पोजीशन is awaited, which we expect sometime next year. इसके अंदर जो टोटल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होने वाली है 4 bedroom and 5 bedroom. 4 bedroom के अपार्टमेंट्स are of 5,800 square feet, which is a huge spacious apartment. And there are 16 duplex and penthouses spread over in 10,000 square feet area. Total 176 flats, whereas only 16 flats are of duplex and penthouses, making this a very large, spacious, low density project. सबसे अच्छी बात इस प्रोजेक्ट की ये है कि इट इज़ अ रेडी टू मूव प्रोजेक्ट। इसके हर टावर के अंदर 6 लिफ्ट्स हैं एंड दिस इज़ द 2 टू अ कोर प्रोजेक्ट, जिसके अंदर आपको 2 लिफ्ट मिलती हैं आउट ऑफ 6 विच आर डेडिकेटेड टू योर अपार्टमेंट डायरेक्ट। सो विच इज़ दिस इज़ अ एक्सेस कंट्रोल लिफ्ट विच विल टेक यू स्ट्रेट टू योर फ्लैट। फ्रेंड्स, जैसे मैंने बताया कि ये प्रोजेक्ट जो है 2010 में लॉन्च हुआ था, बट इट डिड सफ़र अ सेटबैक बिकॉज ऑफ मार्केट स्लो डाउन इन 2014 एंड लेटर द कोविड सिचुएशन इन 2020, बट नाउ इट इज़ अंडर एक्टिव management and supervision of RWA and resolution professional, ensuring the transparent and efficient governance. Further to this, the project in the last 2 years has seen a significant growth and appreciation in resale of its apartments. And also, इसके साथ साथ इसमें एक्टिव डेवलपमेंट हो रही है क्लब हाउस के लिए और रिक्रिएशन फैसिलिटीज़ के लिए, लिफ्ट इन कॉमन एरिया, फुल स्केल सिक्योरिटी, फैसिलिटी मैनेजमेंट एंड हाउसकीपिंग एरिया के ऊपर भी बहुत एक्टिवली काम चल रहा है। अब दोस्तों सवाल ये आता है कि वाई इन्वेस्ट इन क्रिश प्रोवांस? कपल ऑफ रीजंस। There is a strong growth in resale secondary market. Location which is surrounded by nature but yet connected to the main city. Limited inventory and a low density area. Spacious apartment with French inspired design. Ready to move option in premium micro market. अगर आप कोई एक अच्छा huge spacious luxury apartment खरीदना चाहते हैं, then Krish Provence is the only answer, where you get 5,800 square feet apartment and also a duplex and a penthouse of 10,000 square feet area at a very discounted price. For more details like site visit, visiting the actual flat and the floor plans, please contact us on the number given below or follow us on the YouTube channel. Thank you so much.